Hi Pisces! So this is your quick oracle reading and currently dito tayo sa Burnham Park in Baguio. Your celestial deity is Neptune. You know what? This is a time na Pisces. Really, literal, kailangan mo mag-flow. Yung kailangan mo ng pakinggan din kung saan ka dinadalang universe. Kasi andoon na na you need to learn paano mo paghihiwalayin yung emotions mo versus doon sa intuition na binibigay sa'yo ng universe. So, in short, yung kutob mo. You need to learn how to distinguish them. And to do that, paano malalaman ng boses sa isang tao, paano mo magiging makakonfirm mo kung sino siya, by spending time with them. So, this is a call from the universe that you need to spend more quality time maybe with your creator, the guardian angel, the universe, God, or just focus right now on your spirituality so you can learn to hear that still small voice na mag-guide sa'yo. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo and I'll see you in our next video.